Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to preserve the formatting with import range. If you are familiar with using formulas in Google Sheets, import range is a quick way to automatically transfer data from one file to another. However, it's important to note the limitations of this formula. With import range, you can transfer data from one Google Sheet file to another. However, you can't transfer font weight, size, color, or background. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer data from one spreadsheet to another using the import range function. Then, I'll show you how you can transfer all your data and retain the formatting. So let's get started. First, I'll show you how to use the import range function. In this example, I'll use this cash flow spreadsheet. I want to transfer all the data from this spreadsheet to a new file. So I'll create a new spreadsheet. Now I'll use the import range formula to transfer the data. I'll type in import range and open parentheses. Now I need the spreadsheet URL and the range I want to import. So I'll copy the spreadsheet URL. When I paste the spreadsheet URL into the formula, it needs to go in quotation marks. I'll paste the URL in quotation marks and type in comma. Now I'll put in the range in quotation marks. I'll start with the sheet, cash flow. Then, I'll type in an exclamation mark and I'll add the range, A1 until A50. I'll close the quotation marks in the parentheses. Then, I'll press enter. In order to transfer the data, I need to allow access to the spreadsheet. This is another drawback. When you use the import range function, you have to grant access to the source file. This means that everybody who has access to the destination file will also have access to the source spreadsheet. Eventually, this could be a problem because your spreadsheet might contain private data that needs to be protected. As you can see, now import range has successfully transferred all the data, but has failed to maintain all of its visual formatting. On top of that, you may have noticed that using the import range formula can be a little challenging. But don't worry! There's a better way to transfer data. With Sheetgo, you can automatically transfer data between files using connections. You can use Sheetgo as an add-on in Google Sheets to automatically transfer data quickly while maintaining the original formatting. Unlike import range, Sheetgo requires no technical expertise, so you can transfer data quickly and easily without using any complicated formulas. You can import all the data with a few clicks, update the destination file automatically, and retain the original formatting. Now let's see how that works. I'll show you how to transfer data from Google Sheets and retain the formatting using the Sheetgo add-on. First, open the spreadsheet you want to import data from. I'll open my cash flow spreadsheet. Click Extensions, then choose Add-ons in the menu bar. Now, select Get Add-ons. Type Sheetgo in the search bar. Choose Sheetgo and click on Install. Then, click Continue. Now you can sign in with your Google account. Choose your account. Then, click Continue. Sheetgo Add-on needs to access your Google account. Click Allow. Then, click Done. Now you're ready to start using the Sheetgo add-on. Click Extensions and then click on the Sheetgo add-on. Then, click Start. The add-on should open up on the right-hand side of your screen. Answer these 3 quick questions and agree to Sheetgo's terms of use and privacy policy. Click Get Started. Before you connect your spreadsheets, you need to give Sheetgo access to your Google Drive. Click Grant Permission. Select the account you want to connect with Sheetgo. Then, click Continue. Under the Export Data section, click Select Data. Now, choose the tab you wish to export. In this example, I want to export the cash flow data, so I'll select this tab. You can choose whether you want to transfer formatting or not. Enable this feature in order to retain formatting in your destination file. Once finished, click Next Step. I don't want to filter or split the data, so I'll click Skip. Now, I can export the data to another spreadsheet, generate a Google Docs file, save it as a PDF, or send it by email. In this example, I want to export my data to another Google Sheet. You can either let Sheetgo create a new Google Sheets file automatically or choose a file that's already in your drive. Here I'll let Sheetgo create a new file. Under File Name, I will rename the file. I'll call it Cash Flow. You can also rename the tab. I'll also call it Cash Flow. You can also choose the folder in which you want to save your new spreadsheet. Click Finish and Save to create the connection. To make sure your connection is always up to date, you can schedule automatic updates as often as you need. The workflow will then update automatically, without you having to open Sheetgo or either of your spreadsheets. There you have it. Your workflow is up and running. Let's check the new spreadsheet now. I'll go to the folder in which I have saved my new file and I'll open the new spreadsheet. As you can see, Sheetgo has transferred all the data from the source file and has retained the original formatting. What's more, rather than using a complex formula, you could transfer the data with just a few clicks. If you want to create even more powerful workflows, check out our web app. Click the link in the description below in order to start using our web app. With the Sheetgo web app, you can manage your entire workflow and use data visualization tools to gain valuable insights. That's how you can preserve the formatting with import range. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel or visit sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.